Hi children, subject general knowledge for grade 3. So just recall the previous lesson. In the last class we have discussed about the money matters lesson. So each and every country has its own currency. They uses different types of currencies in the world. So in the first country, India uses the currency as rupee. Next one, Egypt, pound, Finland, euro, Indonesia, rupee, Iraq, dinar, Nigeria, naira, Paraguay, gaurani. Today our topic is useful instruments. Instrument is nothing but a device. So some of the instruments which are useful in our daily lives. First point, scientific instruments are very useful to us. So scientific instruments is nothing but the instrument which are used in the electronic format. So first example, you see the picture. What is the picture? You know this picture, the image is a stethoscope. So stethoscope is used by the doctors. It is used for listening the sound of the human, that is the internal sound of the human. So stethoscope, it is used by the doctor to listen the internal sound of an animal or an human body. The next useful scientific instrument is a camera. Camera. Okay, so what is the purpose for using the camera? It is used to capture images which may be stored in our camera. The next useful instrument is a telescope. So telescope is used to see a distant object in a magnetic manner. Then if you are seeing a stars by using the telescope, it is very closer to us. Next, our useful instrument is a seismometer. Seismometer. It is used to measure the motion of the ground, mainly during the earthquake. So, this meter is used to measure the vibrations of the ground during the earthquake. Next, our useful instrument is a calorimeter. Calorimeter. This meter is used to measure the quantity of a heat. So, this meter is used in the industry. If any device produce flame, means how much of heat produced from the particular device. So, this purpose we can use calorimeter. Next, our useful instrument is a chrysograph. Chrysograph, it is used to measure the growth of plants. So, using this device, we can know or identify the growth of plants by step by step. Next, our useful instrument is an ammeter. Ammeter. So this device is used to measure the current in a circuit. So it is used in the physics. So ammeter is used to measure the current in a. This is the time to recall our lesson. Useful instrument. Instrument is nothing but a device. So some of the device which are useful in our daily life. First point, stethoscope. Stethoscope, it is used by the doctor for the purpose of listening their internal sounds of an human body or an animal. Next useful instrument is a telescope. It is used to see the distant object. Next one, seismometer. It is used to identify or measure the motion of the ground during earthquake. Next one, camera. It is used to take images and store it in their camera itself. Next one, ammeter. It is used to measure the current in a circuit. Next one is a calorimeter. It is used to measure the quantity of a heat. Next one is a seismogram. It is used to measure the growth of plants. Thank you, students. I hope you understand the lesson useful instrument. Thank you.